Hello, in today's video, let us see how we can install Pygame. First, let us see the procedure to install Pygame in a Windows operating system. First, close any idle or Python window that might be open. This might include the shell or the program itself. Now, click on the Start menu and open idle. Click on File at the top and then select Open. Double click on Scripts folder and open it. At the top, you will see Scripts written. Right click on Scripts and select Copy Address as Text. Now, go to the Start menu again and open Command Prompt by typing CMD. Now, type CD space and then right click using your mouse and paste the copied location. Press Enter. Now just type pip3 install Pygame like you see on the screen. Wait for the successful installation message and your Pygame installation is done. You can test it out by typing import Pygame in your idle, and if there is no error, that means your installation was successful.